Guys, this is about the box tiny house. We can see about the outside of this box tiny house anyway, and it has different level of the elevation of the floor between the outdoor elevation and indoor elevation. And we can see for the outside it's very simple. It's very simple with a box or cube tiny house exterior shape anyway, but it just unconventional tiny house design, I mean, because tiny house in a common is rectangular shape, but in this case this is about the cube shaped tiny house. I think it's unique, and it would be can be placed on the um, common place anyway. Okay, we can see for the indoor anyway. This is for the interior of this tiny house. We can see about it, and if when we first enter this room, it has cabinet on the kitchen on the left side anyway. It has a cabinet kitchen right there. This is about the refrigerator space, and it has kitchen table with a refrigerator space, small refrigerator, and it's as a microwave space right there. And it has L-shaped shelf and kitchen sink anyway. Then we can see about the multi-level floor in this tiny house. In this place has different level, maybe for the fourth step to be the ground level of this tiny house anyway. And this is about the living space or dining room anyway, and we can look around for the another space. And this is for the bathroom and toilets near to the living room right there, and it has a washing machine in the bottom of the ground floor anyway. So this tiny house has a split level of flooring to maximize the storage space anyway. We can move to the another place, and this is about the bedroom area. The bedroom area has small size, maybe it's just for a single or queen size of bed, and it has several shelves right there, and simple wardrobe right there with a cloth hanger right there with a straight or linear window in the front and the right side anyway, with yellow color of wall paint, and you can see about it. Then we can see for the another outdoor view from this bedroom space or loft bed space anyway. We can see for the left side view with a large window, and for the back side view for the large window also. And then we can see about the front view from the bed position anyway. Then we can see for the almost all of our room in this ground level anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it would be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.